Now I'm going to mount the oil cooler, and I'm going to put the proper hoses on this before I mount it because these are going to face the frame and it'd be easier to have them on now. I got all new O-rings for these, so I'll put some O-ring grease on them first. There you can see the one with new O-ring grease and the other. Now I'll put the hoses on. I did flush the oil cooler and the hoses with solvent, then washed them out with hot water, and then blew them dry with air. So now that I figured out which way the hoses went and I have them on there loosely, I'll take the bolts out one at a time and put some blue Loctite on those. Now I'll mount this back up and I'll put Loctite on both the bolts that mount it. Now that it's mounted, I'll put the upper and lower O-ring for the hoses on and then Loctite those bolts and bolt it up. Now that the oil cooler is mounted, I'll put O-ring grease on both the O-rings and then put Loctite on the bolts and bolt the hoses back up. Now that I have everything back together, what I have left, I have to put the clutch cable on, fill it with oil, and put the fuel tank back on. And then I'll start it up and see how it is. First thing I want to do when that happens is check for leaks.